So I'm here in the shop right now, so I'm going to introduce how to use the multimeter, finding the voltage of batteries or direct current or alternating current. So first we will try the batteries. So this is car batteries. Okay, so our multimeter is currently off, so we will turn it on. To turn it on, just switch it to the left side because we are going to find the direct current, because a battery is a direct current type of voltage. So just change the pin to 20 volts. Okay, do not use 2 volts because the battery, the car batteries are more than 12 volts, so 20 volts is enough. So I forgot to mention here why we are going to use this, because the ground is common, then the positive negative will be used to read for the units of resistance, voltage, and current. We will not use this one because it's only 10 amperes maximum if it's unfused, 10 ADC, so it can really be alternating and direct current. So we just use the backlight. So we're going to read the voltage with the battery. We should check first the signs. So this is the positive and this is the negative, so we should be careful. Okay, especially in the old batteries, no, mga worn out na siya, ni fade na sa kadugay. So ang red is adto sa positive. Okay, then ang kaning pika sa negative, so ato siyang iniana ha. So atong i-read ha. So ang positive diri sa red, then ang negative sa black. So makita nato sa backlight nga ni-read siya, kita na. Ni-read siya sa 1.63 volts. Meaning guba na nga battery. So as you can see sa physical outline niya, sa iyang looks niya, karaan na. So kani ang brand new. So atong i-try ang brand new ha. Positive, negative. So nakakuha siya og 12.11 volts. So careful po taan ni sa pagpin. Dapat is nindot pagaduot nato, kay kung ma-lose contact siya, example lang, lose contact. May bunta lang guba na tong battery, dili ka andar sa sakyanan, or di meaning luag ra. Kung luag siya, gamay yang voltage sa tuwang sakyanan. So dapat squeeze tight yun, taod sa battery. Must be a pushing force to the battery so that there will be no lost contact. If there's a lost contact, it will affect the voltage reading for our multimeter. So since we are talking about batteries, someone asked me if for low maintenance battery, meaning it is not maintenance free, magtibol-timbol kag tubig, so you will add water frequently to your battery, so you will do monthly checkups with your battery. So this one is maintenance free, so you will not remove it to add water. Here it's low maintenance, so what will happen is you will frequently check monthly basis or weekly basis for the water level of your battery. So back to the question, someone asked me if we can add, if there is kanang kuwang og tubig siya, pwede ba daw adan og acid water? The answer is no, because na siya acidaan. So to maintain the battery, just add distilled water. Okay class, so we're now going to measure the voltage in DC and AC. So we all know that the sign for DC is this one, and for AC is this one. Okay, to start, we just switch on our multimeter, turn the backlight. So para nindot sa matasad na makaklaro ta. Okay, so first ang atong i-measure is the battery. So this is a direct current. Okay? So sa multimeter atong gamiton is dili 200 volts but 20 volts. So like the example sa battery, sa car battery, never adjust your multimeter below sa imong gi-expect nga voltage sa imong battery. Example is 12 volts. So kakibaw ka ang kanang battery is 12 volts, dili nimo gamiton ng 2 volts. Ha? Kay gamay ra kaayo. So mas maayo greater than, so 20 volts atong gamiton. Okay, so atong i-measure ha per battery. Backlight. So to measure, the red one will be the positive and the black will be the negative. $1.44. Baro na. 1.44. Okay, so for our previous discussion, I told you that to solve the voltage, total voltage for the series connection is atong i-add no V1 plus V2 plus V3. So atong i-add ato ang connection in series. So mo na siya pag series connection ha. Unlike sa parallel connection nga same common terminal like positive positive, negative negative, sa series is from positive to negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So okay, so ang may tabuan ni V1 plus V2 plus V3. So all the voltage per battery will be added. So the sum of the voltage per battery will be the total voltage. Okay, let's compute. So I used a carton here para dili siya muluklihok, no? Okay, mo kuaman siya, mulagpot. So ito yung ikuan ha. So the total, see? Basta makusog nagduot pwede ra hinayon na nato. The total is 4.36. Okay, so atong i-calculator dapat mo kuha na siya og 4.36 divided by 3 because tulo ka battery. The answer is 1.45. So sakto ang ato ang formula sa pagkuan sa series, no? V1 plus V2 plus V3. Okay, sa parallel dili siya mo add, no? Pero mo dako lang ang iyahang current. So ang kung ato ni i-parallel, ang may tabuan ni is na wire diri mag-connect na sa. So kung ato ni i-parallel nin duha ang atong battery mag-connect na wire diri na say mag-connect nga wire diri. So that is parallel connection. The voltage will not increase but muda ko ang iyahang current kusog. Okay? So next atong i-compute na atong measure ang atong alternating current, which is ang atong outlet sa balay. Okay, so we're going to measure the alternating current. So are we using extension? So para dali ma-zoom na to ha. So connected na ni siya, and let's put in mind nga mag-careful kita kay kusog ni ang current ani kay sa balay naman ni sa kuryente naman gid ni. So it's enough to kill a person if dili ta careful. So we're going to use mo ni outlet.
Kaya nasa peak sa babaw, mo kita og probe. So pwede rin siya magbali-bali ha, ini-connect na to sa outlet. So it doesn't matter, pwede rin siya vice versa. Wala na siya positive negative terminal.
So ato i-change og 600. As you can see, the arrow points to 600 volts. We're not using 200 because ang sa Philippines, we are using 220 volts. Okay? So, atong i-on ato ang so naka-on na ni green light na. Okay, ni green light na. As you can see, so meaning na kurente atong extension. So atong isubay ha gamit. Okay, so to measure, idot na nato ato ang tester. Okay, it's 234 volts. So kung luag ta, madlukon ta, malus contact, so mawala na, di na ta ka-view sa voltage ato ang alternating current. Sa atong tarong, it's 234 volts. Okay, so that's how you're going to measure the voltage sa inyong balay, sa inyong outlet. Okay, so dili na pwede gamiton 200 ha. Dili na pwede gamiton adto sa 600 volts. Okay, next is, since ang among TV diri before we're using 110 kay amo gikan sa Japan surplus, naapod mi diri outlet nga 110. So nagamit mi og transformer to convert 220 volts into 110 volts. So for the TV to work. Kay kung di nimo gamitan og transformer, ang mahitabo mo buto ang TV. Okay, ang Japan, they are only using 110 volts and Philippines is using 220 volts. Same po sa sakyanan. If 24 volts ang imong battery, imong gi-series na imong gi-connect sa imong sakyanan, the headlights, the wirings, the fuses, mangbuto na sila. Kay your vehicle is only capable for 12 volts. So why are you using 24 volts? Okay, you got nakuha na yung point? Okay po. Okay, so this is the transformer. So, and this is the TV. So, as you can see, the words from the TV, it is in Japanese. And it is using 110 volts. Okay. Obviously, kasi Japan na siya. Then, to measure it, atong ipunik ato ang extension wire. Kay di man niya masudlan na to wire, maglisod ta. Ang gamit. Pata mo ang stick bitaw mo na yung gamit para sa smart TV. Amo ipunik diri, wala siya madaot kay kuan naman ni 12 volts naman siya. So pwede sa 110 volts na supply. I-connect ka. Okay, power on. Naka-on na to ang transformer. Then here, to be safe, ato lang yung E600. Just to make it sure. So naka-on na po na ito ang extension. Naka-green light na siya. Okay. So when compute, it's 107 volts. Klaro ra? Balik ko na ha. 108. Okay, 107, 108 is sakto siya. 110 ato ang supply sa to ang gamit diri sa transformer. Okay, now you know nga pag-solve sa measure sa voltage sa series, sa DC o sa AC. Next akong itudlo ang pag-measure sa resistance and current. Since naam ko'y giandam po na circuit diri sa resistor. Okay, so karon na ako giandam diri nga small nga circuit. So kani siya mo ni ang capacitor. Then kani transistor 3 pins. Then ang kanay mga gagmay mo ni mga resistor. So naa siya mga color ha. Ato i-try o compute ang iyang resistance using the chart o ang ato ang multimeter kung magsakto siya. So, muna tong i-discuss next video.